Go to My IP address to check your IP address. Open Windows Settings, right, Proxy. Click on Setup. Check Use a proxy server. Go to Proxy Link Pro. Go to Proxy Generator. Choose a location. Choose the protocol HTTP. Generate an address and copy what is displayed on the screen. Paste the address copied on Proxy Link Pro. Copy the generated port and paste it in the port settings box on Windows. Save, then copy the identifiers as displayed on the screen in the Connection tab that appears. The proxy is configured.